over here in Arden Park. Okay, yeah, this is a big one. It's a real big one. So check out the inside. Alright.
You still need some sanitizer?
Yeah, you got some?
Right here.
Where?
See it right there.
Oh yeah, let me get that. Get my hands feeling all icky.
Mr. Sanitizer, man.
Yeah, I need that.
This has got 2 fireplaces in it so far. Man.
This is nice. It's gonna need a lot of updates. Whole lot, but you know me. Open for the challenge. Oh wow. So already floor moving. It's a nice tile.
Hey, you downstairs is different though. You gotta look at that. You downstairs, you gotta come look at this. Look right here.
That ain't no big deal.
What about this look? This is like 4 bathrooms. But did you? The master bedroom was I don't think you got work to do.
This ain't as big as I thought it was.
Oh, it's big. You ain't been over on this side. Man, this guy like 3 bed. Look at this. Go in this room right here. Look at this room.
Right here?
Right. Oh, excuse me. Look at this. This is the bathroom, the room. And
Yeah,
then
this
room
a
over here.
it's a master suite, but it's
Yeah,
not that
look, then
it's
you
not
got
that
a room to go through this room. To
Bro.
This room.
it's not that big, man.
What is this?
This would be a closet.
This is somebody's closet?
I would hope, because I hope that ain't the closet. Yeah, this would be the closet.
Oh, look at the backyard view though. Mm-hmm. Yeah. This is somebody's closet?
Bro.
I guess,
Yeah.
because we got shelves and, funny shoes and shit.
Yeah, this the closet. Because I got this little tiny closet over here, but ain't no way that's the only closet. Not for a house this size. But it's still not as big as I thought.
How big do you want it?
I'm just saying it looked bigger from the outside.
Oh, look at this is another room. This is humble. You know what I'm saying? This is humble. 2 closets. See this is about the size of my apartment right here. Man.
It's nice though, but
Yeah. How many bedrooms is this thing?
I think it's 7. Got one right here. Yeah, this is a bedroom. 1, 2, that's 3.
4.
Uh,
Well, I don't know what
this is
yeah,
this is a bedroom. This will be 4, and I think it's
They got a basement too?
yeah, of course. I think it's 2 bedrooms down the main floor, so it might be 6, not 7. Let's see.
How much they want for this?
$350. Well, they need a
$350,000?
yeah. Well, shit, it's gonna take you about another $200 to get it right. But it's nice though. I just thought it was bigger. Okay, this is, I don't know. I guess this is a bedroom right here. I don't know what this is actually, but it's another. How do you get downstairs? I guess you gotta go through over here.
It's a bathroom? Yeah. It's just a bathroom with a toilet.
It's just a little outhouse. I don't know, but oh, they got, what's this up here? Hold on, bro. I gotta get my camera. All right. Oh shoot. Maybe it is bigger than I thought. It's a whole nother bunch of stuff. God damn.
Shoes on your shoes.
I know. Come on, man, you breaking stuff.
Who gonna be walking up all these stairs?
Okay, so this the other two bedrooms. I mean, if that's,
God.
yeah, I see.
This is
Oh, what the? Man, it's like a maze up here.
boy, you could be up here. They wouldn't even know you were there.
Okay, yeah, it's a lot bigger than I thought. Now,
They got a bathtub.
I mean, look, there's like more room back here. Yeah, they got it sectioned off kind of weird, like a flat. They got it sectioned off like a family flat.
This is
Yeah.
yeah, you can play hide and seek up in here. Boy.
Mm-hmm.
You be like,
See, I turned it. Damn,
what's in there?
more bedrooms. I think, yeah, it is 7. So that's what we get 4 up
This is
there.
small. This is like for a kid.
Yeah, it's like a little kid room. So that's, what's that? 4, 5, 6. I think that would be, this would be 7 over here. Oh, this is an attic. Nah, this ain't no room. It's just an attic. It's just a decent sized attic though. I would frame it out. I
You
definitely.
make this a room, wouldn't you?
Heck yeah, I definitely frame it out.
Yeah. You know, you get
Back down. Yeah, I wonder why they put the steps back here like this for the, you know, for the dungeon.